Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best dash cam review. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. BeepoCam ZD72P Dash Cam. This BeepoCam 4K Dash Cam offers impressive dual camera recording with stunning 4K resolution for both front and rear views. This ensures clear, detailed footage that captures every important moment on the road. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, users can easily track routes and download videos via the Witcam app. The 3.19 in IPS screen provides crisp previews, making it simple to review recordings instantly. Night vision and HDR technology enhance image quality, especially in low light or challenging weather conditions. With a wide 140 degrees to 170 degrees viewing angle, it covers a broad area, reducing blind spots. Additional features like motion detection, G-sensor, and a 24-hour parking monitor ensure your vehicle stays protected even when parked. The dash cam supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage for extended recording sessions. Compact yet powerful, it runs on a reliable capacitor battery, making it durable across extreme temperatures. The BeepoCam dash cam is a smart choice for anyone seeking top-quality car surveillance. Number 4. Sohm 4K Dual Dash Camera. This Sohm 4K Dual Dash Camera is built for precision and safety. It records in stunning 4K from the front and 1080p at the rear, capturing every crucial detail with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens. It reduces blind spots and ensures a broader view of the road, perfect for both city driving and long highway trips. The built-in Wi-Fi allows seamless footage transfer to your phone, while the optional GPS tracks your route and speed. That's added protection when you need it most. Thanks to night vision and WDR technology, video stays clear even in low light. Whether it's dusk, dawn, or dark, it's always reliable, and the 24-hour parking monitor keeps your vehicle safe around the clock. Compact, smart, and secure, this dash cam does it all. Number 3. Tsfong Force Dash Cam. This Tsfong dash cam offers impressive 4K UHD front recording combined with 31080p cameras for a full 360 degrees surround view. This dash cam 4-channel system eliminates blind spots using ultra-wide 150 degrees lenses on all cameras. Built from fire-retardant ABS and PC materials, the device handles extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. It uses no built-in rechargeable battery, minimizing fire risks. It has an automatic power off at high temperatures for added safety. The dash cam features 360 degrees radar technology and a 24-hour parking monitor. It detects moving objects nearby, triggering all 4 cameras to start recording instantly. Radar sensitivity can be easily adjusted with a one-click switch. Meanwhile, 3-stage low-voltage protection guards your car battery. Installation is simple with 3M adhesive mounts and a quick-release design. This dash cam secure and easy to manage. Number 2. Baseus Dash Cam. This Baseus Dash Cam delivers crystal-clear HD footage at 2880 by 620 resolution. This is 3 times sharper than standard 1080, capturing a wide 140 degrees view with a 30 degrees adjustable angle to cover every lane and detail. It features a durable supercapacitor, ensuring stable power without battery risks. This means reliable performance even in extreme temperatures and longer lifespan. Night vision is enhanced with a large f/1.5 aperture and blue IR cut filter, providing clear images in low light, and AI voice control lets drivers operate the cam hands-free with GPS and Galileo dual positioning. It logs accurate speed, location, and time. The built-in G-sensor locks collision footage for safety. Finally, the Baseus app offers easy Wi-Fi connection, live view, and simple settings. Installation is quick. Mount, plug, and start recording. Number 1. Vofo A229 Plus Dash Cam. This Vofbo is a high-quality dash cam offering 2K HDR video recording with crystal clear resolution of 2560 by 440p. It uses the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor to deliver excellent image quality even in low light with a wide 170 degrees viewing angle. This dash cam covers a broad road perspective. It supports loop cycle recording, motion detection, and a built-in GPS logger to track your routes precisely. Night vision and parking monitor features add extra security, protecting your car around the clock. The built-in microphone captures audio, enhancing evidence if needed. Additionally, the dash cam offers voice control and connects via 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy app management. It supports memory cards up to 512 GB, ensuring plenty of storage for long drives. Compact and reliable, the Vofbo is an excellent choice for any driver.